Norwegian Cruise Line, NCL, is embarking on a significant expansion of its fleet through a landmark agreement with Italian shipbuilder Fincantieri. This contract entails the construction of 4 new cruise ships, each with a gross tonnage of approximately 226,000 and the capacity to accommodate over 8,300 individuals, including crew members. Valued at around 9 billion euros, this deal represents the largest order ever received by Fincantieri. The vessels will be built at Fincantieri's Monfalcone shipyard, with deliveries scheduled for 2030, 2032, 2034, and 2036. This ambitious expansion highlights NCL's determination to compete with the industry's biggest players, particularly Royal Caribbean and Carnival Cruise Line, both of which have been setting new standards for size, luxury, and onboard experiences. These forthcoming ships will be the largest in NCL's fleet, surpassing the size of the Prima-class vessels, which were introduced in 2022 with ships like the Norwegian Prima and Norwegian Viva. The Prima-class ships measure 142,500 gross tons and accommodate around 3,300 guests, making them some of the most luxurious vessels in NCL's lineup. However, the new ships will increase capacity by nearly 60% and feature more advanced technology, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced passenger comfort. This expansion signifies a major shift for NCL, moving towards even larger, more feature-packed megaships in an effort to compete with Royal Caribbean's Oasis and Icon-class ships, which currently lead the industry in size and onboard attractions. The introduction of these massive new ships is not just about size, but also about enhancing the overall cruise experience. While exact details of the onboard features have not been disclosed, industry experts speculate that the ships will include next-generation entertainment venues, expanded dining options, advanced sustainability measures, and improved guest accommodations. Given NCL's focus on premium, freestyle cruising, it is expected that these ships will feature a mix of high-end specialty restaurants, Broadway-style entertainment, and unique leisure activities designed to appeal to a wide range of travelers. In addition to fleet expansion, NCL is investing in its private island in the Bahamas, Great Stirrup Cay. Recognizing the increasing demand for exclusive private beach destinations, the company has initiated the construction of a new pier, a project estimated at $150 million, designed to simultaneously accommodate 2 large vessels. Currently, guests visiting Great Stirrup Cay must tender ashore via small boats, which can be inconvenient and weather-dependent. The new pier will allow for direct docking, making the island more accessible and enhancing guest experiences. This development aligns with NCL's broader strategy to enhance its private island offerings, similar to Royal Caribbean's Perfect Day at Coco Cay, which has been a massive success with its water parks, luxury cabanas, and adventure attractions. By improving Great Stirrup Cay, NCL aims to provide a more seamless, exclusive, and comfortable beach day experience for its passengers. These strategic initiatives reflect NCL's commitment to growth and innovation in the cruise industry. By expanding its fleet with larger, state-of-the-art vessels and enhancing private destinations like Great Stirrup Cay, NCL is positioning itself as a leader in modern cruising. The company is clearly making long-term investments to remain competitive, attract a broader audience, and offer unique, unforgettable experiences to its guests. As the cruise industry continues to recover from the impacts of the pandemic, these bold moves by NCL demonstrate its confidence in the future of cruising and its determination to provide passengers with bigger, better, and more luxurious vacation options.